Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn English tenses for daily conversation.
Yes, we will explain how to use tenses in simple everyday talk so you can speak clearly and confidently.
Let's begin with the present simple tense. We use it for habits, routines, and general facts.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. or she works in a bank. These are daily facts or habits.
In conversation, you can say, I like tea, or we go to school every day.
Notice that for third person singular, we add s or s. For example, he plays football.
Now let's move to the present continuous tense. It shows actions happening right now or temporary actions.
Example, I am talking to you, or she is reading a book. Both are happening at the moment.
In conversation, you might say, I am cooking dinner, or they are watching TV.
Next is the present perfect tense. This connects the past with the present.
For example, I have finished my homework. It means the work is done and the result matters now.
Another example, she has visited London. The action happened sometime in the past but is still relevant.
You can also use it in conversations like, I have already eaten, or we have never met before.
Let's look at the present perfect continuous. It shows actions that started in the past and are still happening.
Example, I have been studying English for 2 hours. It means I started earlier and I'm still studying.
In daily conversation, you can say, she has been working here since 2019.
Now let's move to the past tenses. The past simple shows completed actions at a specific time.
For example, I watched a movie yesterday, or they visited their grandparents last week.
In conversation, you can say, I called you last night, or he missed the bus this morning.
The past continuous shows actions happening in the middle of the past.
Example, I was reading when you called. It shows an action in progress when another happened.
In conversation, you might say, she was cooking when the phone rang.
The past perfect is for the earlier of two past actions.
Example, I had eaten before they arrived. The eating happened first.
In conversation, she had left before I reached home.
The past perfect continuous shows ongoing actions before a past moment.
Example, he had been working for 2 hours before the break.
Now let's explore the future tenses. The future simple uses will for promises, decisions, and predictions.
For example, I will call you tomorrow, or it will rain later.
In daily talk, you can say, don't worry, I will help you.
Future with going to is used for plans and intentions.
For example, she is going to visit her friend, or I am going to start a new course.
In conversation, we are going to travel next month.
Future continuous shows an action happening at a specific time in the future.
Example, at 9 p.m., I will be watching my favorite show.
In daily talk, she will be working tomorrow morning.
Future perfect shows an action completed before a future moment.
Example, by next week, I will have finished this project.
In conversation, you can say, they will have left before you arrive.
Future perfect continuous shows how long something will have been happening up to a future point.
Example, by December, I will have been learning English for 1 year.
In conversation, she will have been working here for 5 years by next summer.
Now let's talk about how these tenses make your daily conversation smooth.
Yes, when you use present simple, you can share your habits. Example, I drink tea every morning.
With present continuous, you describe current actions. Example, I am listening to music now.
With past simple, you share past stories. Example, I went to the park yesterday.
With future simple, you make quick decisions. Example, I will take a taxi.
Daily conversation often mixes tenses. Example, I was studying when my friend called and we will meet tomorrow.
That is true. Tenses connect past, present, and future in one flow of talk.
So the key is to know the forms and use them naturally.
Let's give a short recap for our viewers.
We covered present, past, and future tenses with their simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous forms.
We also gave many examples of how to use them in daily conversations.
And we showed how signal words like yesterday, now since, tomorrow help you choose the right tense.
Today, we learned how each tense works in conversation, how to talk about habits, actions, results, and plans.
And we learned how to express time clearly in English using correct tense forms for real-life daily talk.
Thank you for joining us today.
Keep practicing these tenses in your daily conversations. See you in the next video of Grammar with Altaf.